Oops, I forgot to push record. Okay, so we are back at it again. I forgot to push record. I just said there's the hubby. He's driving again because, you know, I don't do this.
She don't drive in the wintertime.
But it so yeah, the winter storm here in Ohio. Now it decided for about 10 minutes it wanted to I can't even talk.
Have freezing rain.
And now it's like a mixture of like, do I want to snow or do I want to have freezing rain?
It's called sleet. It's got a name.
Shut up, Rick.
I'm helping you.
He is helping me. But our kids were out all day long shoveling snow for people that were nice enough to let them. They're like, a lot of people said no, which I think is kind of mean. Like 10-year-old little kids going outside wanting to help and you tell them no, but you know, it is what it is. People are jerks. Anyway, they really wanted pizza bad, and since they did such a great job, we decided we're gonna come out again in this weather and we're gonna get them pizza. So that's what we did.
So what I did is I'm paying cash, right? And
it's really dark on you.
Is it dark on me?
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm paying cash, right? And they come up to me, or he goes to give him a change, and I'm like, now that last 10, can you make it all ones? So I paid him with a 50. And he's like, okay. And I'm like, it's not for me, it's for my son. He wants to buy 10 ones off of me. He's 10 years old. He just went out shoveling snow today. And he thinks that if he has ones, it's more money because it's more bills. So he wants a stack of money as opposed to a little, like 10 of them.
But he also wants to make it rain.
Yeah, because he was listening to Fat Joe Make It Rain. And so now he wants to make it rain. And it's funny.
Yeah.
So,
they made $23 a piece. It was my 10-year-old, or our 10-year-old and our 13-year-old. And I'm not on this because,
okay.
I mean, I guess I could be, but
I mean, you're beautiful.
I can't see myself, and I don't know how to switch the camera around. So
like this. There's a little thing on
No, there's not. There's not a little thing on YouTube. There's not, for real.
Not on YouTube?
Okay, so anyways, sorry guys, you can't see me. I look spent anyways because I've been out in the weather all day.
You know, spent, you look beautiful.
Whatever. Anyway, where was I? I totally lost my train of thought.
I'd hit that. What are you talking about?
Snow's coming down again.
Yes. Because it's a winter storm.
They made $23 a piece, and our 10-year-old wanted ones because he was making it rain in our living room.
Yeah, he was flipping it out like.
You know, you should probably use your hands when you're driving in this treacherous weather.
Some of us know how to drive without using our hands. I use the force.
Uses the force. Okay. I mean, I guess making it rain is a lot is better than our 5-year-old walking home with me in the snow when we went on a little walk and asking me how you make babies. He's been on this kick and I don't know why, but he wants a baby.
I can't know how to tell him.
How do you tell him?
Right.
Spotlight
back on me for a minute.
Put the camera
First of all,
on.
if he asks me how to make babies, I'm going to say it using so much slang that it's going to seem like I explained it to him, but he ain't going to know what the fuck I just talked about.
Rick!
What the heck I just talked about. So, here's what I'm going to say. He's going to be like, Daddy, how do you make babies? And I'm going to be straight up. I'm going to be like, look, what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a wife, and then together you two are going to, you know, maybe go out on a nice date. When you come home, you're going to want to hit that.
Oh my God.
No, I mean, he doesn't know what the heck that means. He probably thinks me slapping her around, which is pretty bad, but, you know, at least I'm not giving him, you know, and I go, and after you hit that a couple times, you know, seeds get planted, son. And when seeds get planted, flowers grow. Now, with that being said, months later, you find out there's a baby growing in the wife. Isn't that a good way of doing it? You ain't got to talk about anything. You ain't got to know what the hell I'm talking about. Go ahead. You can.
I think he's gonna probably end up going to get a pot and putting dirt in it with some seeds and thinking that
Babies
they're
are
gonna
gross.
have a baby.
That'd be worth it.
Okay.
Like, you know, sometimes it's a baby, sometimes it's a plant. Hopefully it's a plant we can eat if it is.
Anyway, back to the snow. It's coming down.
It's coming down.
It is coming down. I don't know. Can you see it in there? Probably not. But, you know, we'll just keep on posting more because I heard there's supposed to be 30 to 40 mile per hour winds tonight. And so hopefully that'll get some excitement going with this snowstorm. Other than us, you know, driving around acting like fools and whatever. But, so here's the latest. We had to go get our kids pizza. My mom thinks we're crazy that we're driving out in this because they're trying to plow the roads, but it's not doing anything. It is legit. Like, we have shoveled our driveway 3 times already, and I still can't get my car up it. So,
But we're gonna try again.
So, you know, if we don't slide into the neighbor's car.
How do we slide? I know how to turn. It's me driving, baby.
Anyway,
Look,
we
it was shoveled when we left.
I'm not on Facebook Live anymore, but
I'm telling you this. It was shoveled when we left.
yeah, our driveway is snowy again, and we just shoveled it right before we left
On your mark.
about 10 minutes ago to get some pizza.
Get set.
But we'll make some more videos tonight to try and see like big, huge snow, whatevers, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Peace.